Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I want us to look at a tool called Screaming Frog. So I will start the Screaming Frog interface. It is a graphical user interface application that can be used especially in search engine optimization for different websites, especially when you're doing analysis and auditing. So this is the interface for the Screaming Frog, which is basically a tool that can help you do search engine optimization for websites. Basically, it is a desktop application that crawls websites and gathers data about various aspects of the website, of the site's performance, structure, and optimization. Basically, and as a software engineer, this tool is basically, or a cybersecurity engineer, this tool basically is being used by search engine optimizers, digital marketers, and web developers to identify issues, improve web visibility, and optimize search engine rankings for the different websites. So here we have the different menu bar. We have the place here that you are supposed to enter the URL for it to be able to crawl. So now I will go to the website, our normal website, that is the Qnetics website, the test vuln hub, so that we can be able to crawl that for testing purposes to see how this tool works. So after pasting, I start here. I'll give it time as it is crawling the website. You will be able to see the percentages at this point here, so that you see whether the crawling has been done to 100%. So now it is done. It has crawled the website to 100%, and you can be able to at least see the different issues that are available here. On the right part, you can see we have the overview, the different issues, the site structure, the response times, and the different APIs that are connected to the website. So out here, if you crawl, you can be able to see on this left side, you can see the summary that is given here. If you want to look at the different HTML, JavaScript, CSS, the images that are available here, the external links that are available, the security in terms of missing issues that are also in this tool. So you can be able to at least get much and more from this tool, especially in the response of the different websites. On my left side here, you can see the internals and the different addresses, the content type of each and every link that has been given here. The response code, especially when you look at which code is not, which link is not responding, you can see this one is having error for the one for privacy here. You can see the titles that have been given to each and every link. So you can see the megapixels that have been given. Any other information that is relevant to a given website, we can be able to see here in terms of response time. So basically, this Screaming Frog tool enables you to be able to at least do your audit very much easily. And where this tool is very much helpful is always when you look at issues here. So in the issues here, you can be able to at least see that there are issues that have been identified, especially from this website, to see if whatever we have here is a security issue, and the priority that is given to each and every issue that is available. Let me expand this part. So you can see the first one here. We have HTTP URL, security, form URL insecure, form on HTTP URL. So priority has been given in terms of even calculating percentages on the different issues. So let me go, for example, on the secure form here, and the goodness is that whenever you click on this tool, you can be able to at least see that it gives you the description of whatever is whatever kind of issue that you are having, and you can be able to at least correct it. So you can see in terms of security, you can be able to at least look at secure URLs that have been corrected here, though responding with a status code of 200, which means that it is okay and very much indexable and very much okay. So when you look at SAP snippet, you can be able to at least click on this and be able to see the response that is being given, especially when you are clicking on the different links within google.com. So this is the security issues that have been identified. Other issues that have been identified, especially when you are now doing, for example, search engine optimization, is looking at, for example, page titles here that have been identified to be below characters, but though they are not on the high alert like the ones that are on top here, you can be able to at least click on each and every link here and see what is it that has been identified, or what is it that has been placed at the title element, and how many characters are they, so that you can be able to at least correct your website. Now, as a search engine optimizer, or even a cybersecurity engineer, or even a software engineer, it is very much useful, for example, to get used to these kinds of tools, so that at least you can be able to optimize your website. You can be able to at least do give protection to your websites or web applications that you develop. So the other important feature that is also here, apart from this one, is the folder structure. This one gives you the opportunity, when you click on this one, to be able to at least see the different folder structure and how this website has been structured, so that at least you can be able to map it very much easily. We have the visualizations that gives you the visualizations of this website, so that you can be able to see the different categories of elements that are available from the initialization URL. What are the different categories of products or links that are available here? So you can be able to at least map them very much easily and look at how the website is responding in terms of when a person clicks, for example, testphp.vulnweb.com, and then where is it going to within this, and within these other links, where are they going to? So you can be able to at least map this one very much easily within your website. So Screaming Frog is a very much important tool, especially when you get used to it, so that at least you can be able to get to know the response, or do search engine optimization, correct the different errors that are happening within your website. This can be security issues, this can be optimizing in terms of how Google is able to at least crawl your page, or how Google is able to at least index your page within the parameters or search engines that people are doing. So it is very much important to get used to this tool, so that at least you can be able to analyze your website in terms of response times, in terms of folder structures that are available here, so that at least you get to see how you can be able to at least optimize your website. Otherwise, thank you and welcome to this YouTube channel. You can subscribe for more and be able to at least get more information in terms of cybersecurity, in terms of software engineering, and any other technological evaluations that are being done within this website. Otherwise, thank you.